This is not ordinary perfume. Oh. Rich men will notice you like magnets. What's the side effect? Everything has a price.
Good afternoon, beautiful. Why don't you let me handle the bill today?
Well, if you insist, we don't mind at all. Life is sweet. See the way we are enjoying and looking fresh. Yes?
Is there? And if you hear this and they're gone, then don't.
I don't really believe in flashy things. I like simple life.
Nice.
What do you do?
I influence markets.
Forex?
Something like that. You're smiling like a goat. Shut up. You like him. I think I do.
You're forgetting the agreement.
I didn't agree to anything. Since you started seeing this David, Richmond stopped calling me. That's good. No, it's not. Rent is due. So you want Obsession again? Obsession pays bills.
Your house smells strange.
It's my perfume. Don't you like it?
I feel like I shouldn't be here. Let me take my leave.
5 million? From who? Anonymous! The person wrote, use it for your skincare. Why doesn't it work on David? Because real love is not controlled by charms. So what happens if I choose him? It doesn't like competition. If you choose him, the bottle will fight back. It's either you choose love or money. But I want both. Don't be stupid. Choose money. I'm tired of being chased like prey. Poverty will humble you. At least I'll sleep peacefully. Sandra, don't. I have to do this. Sandra, wait! How did you break the bottle? You must be crazy! No call, no text, no alerts, nothing? Same. Nothing. Who could that be?
It's me. I brought bread and eggs.
So this is what normal feels like? I think so. It's boring. Maybe boring is peace. This is not ordinary perfume. Oh. Rich men will notice you like magnets. What's the side effect? Everything has a price. Sandra, I beg spray small for me. Don't finish it like last time. Relax now. This thing is powerful. One spray is enough to disturb destiny.
Ladies, everything to your satisfaction?
It's wonderful. Thank you.
Excellent. I'll be back to check on you.
We're looking forward to it.
That one in red, she's glowing. Go and talk to her now. Excuse me, can I join you?
If you insist. A new iPhone and money for a first date? God is good. It's pretty girl privilege.
I sent you 3 million. Use it to change your wardrobe.
Aw, thank you. Oh, these flowers are absolutely beautiful. They smell wonderful. Thank you so much. Mimi, what exactly are you people using? Be honest. Good skincare and minding our business. Whenever we go out together, it's only the two of you men approach. Rich men for that matter. We have been friends for a long time. We don't need to hide anything from each other. Confidence. If you're not confident, you're invisible. So we're invisible? How can you say we are invisible? We didn't say that. Maybe upgrade small. Are we ugly? Pretty privilege only works when you're actually pretty and confident enough to own it. Careful, you sprayed twice. Relax, Jerry.
Can I buy you champagne? I'll send my driver to pick you tomorrow. I like your aura.
Have you noticed something? What? Since we started using it, men fight over us. That's the goal. Like actual fighting.
You think you can collect her from me? She's not your property!
This is getting out of hand. Mimi, why are there 27 missed calls from different numbers? Same here. One man sent 2 million and he's saying I must marry him. Must! One man sent me a generator. A generator? I didn't even ask. This thing is no longer funny.
Hi, my name is David.
You're not holding champagne or car key?
Should I be?
Why are you here?
I saw you at the lounge last week. I just wanted to say hi.
That's all?
That's all.
Wait, he didn't offer you money? No. Didn't call you my queen of destiny? No! The perfume didn't work on him. If the perfume doesn't work on him, then Kayamata should work on him. Yes.